Ever looked at a car audio setup and wondered, do I need a DSP, an amplifier, or both? A lot of people think they're the same thing. They're not. They do completely different jobs, and understanding this can save you money and make your system sound way better. Think of an amplifier as muscle. Its job is simple. It takes a small audio signal and makes it powerful enough to move your speakers and subwoofers. Without an amp, speakers won't get enough power to play loudly or perform at their full potential. A DSP, or digital signal processor, is the brain. It doesn't create power. Instead, it shapes and fine-tunes the sound before it reaches the amplifier. Here's an easy way to picture it. Imagine you're cooking. The DSP is the chef deciding how much salt, pepper, and seasoning goes into the food. The amplifier is the stove providing the heat needed to cook it. You need the brain and the muscle working together if you want the best results. A DSP gives you control over things like equalization, crossover points, time alignment, and channel levels. That means you can adjust certain frequencies, decide which speakers play specific sounds, and even make the music seem like it's coming from right in front of you instead of down by your feet. An amplifier can't do those things by itself. A basic amp simply takes the signal it receives and makes it bigger. If the signal going into the amp sounds bad, the amplifier will make that bad sound louder. This is why many factory systems sound disappointing even when you add a powerful amplifier. The sound may be loud, but it isn't properly tuned. That's where a DSP changes everything. Now, some modern amplifiers actually have built-in DSP features. These units combine both jobs into one box. They provide power while also giving you tuning controls. They're popular because they save space and can simplify an installation. Do you need a DSP? Not always. If you just want more volume and better bass, an amplifier may be enough. But if you're chasing sound quality, better imaging, cleaner vocals, and a balanced listening experience, a DSP can make a huge difference. The best audio systems usually use both. The DSP fine-tunes the sound, and the amplifier provides the power needed to reproduce that tuned signal accurately. Check the description box because I've shared links to some of the best amps and DSPs you can find today for your car audio system. And now I want to hear from you. Are you running just an amplifier, or have you added a DSP to your system? Drop your experience or questions in the comments, and if this video helped clear things up, hit the like button and subscribe for more car audio guides and real-world tips.